In the past few days, there has been a major sell-off in the global markets. Obviously, this has created a chain reaction across the world. And Indian markets are also being significantly impacted by this. Now, there could be several reasons for it, predominantly reasons which are outside the country. The uncertainty in the Fed rates, or what's happening in Europe, or the slowdown anticipated in China. Now, these global factors will remain and will have to be tackled globally by those economies. As far as India is concerned, I think there is some overreaction to reports in a section of the media with regard to the state of the public sector banks. There is obviously a problem of NPAs as far as the banks are concerned. These are loans which have earlier in point of time been given by these banks. And as a part of prudent policy, it has been considered that the balance sheet should be as transparent. The banks are going to take all steps possible to recover these loans from the debtors. The Reserve Bank, through various policies, has empowered the banks. The bankruptcy law is under active consideration. The government is also considering some further steps to empower the banks to be in a position to recover these monies. And I think it's a problem which will control. In any case, the volume and extent of this problem should not be exaggerated so as to lead to any panic. The government is fully committed to support public sector banks by providing them whatever capital requirements are there, because these banks have played a very important role in supporting the Indian economy, and their support is also required for supporting further growth. As a reaction to various international developments which are taking place, there need not be any exaggerated panic in India. For the reason that India as an economy, even in the midst of a global slowdown, has clearly stood out. To maintain a 7.5% plus growth rate at a stage of a global slowdown, our services and manufacturing sector are both recovering, and hopefully if this year is slightly better in terms of monsoon, our agricultural sector will also recover and generate further demand. The government, in formulating its policies, is conscious of the areas of support which are required to be given to the economy, and is fully committed to providing those support. And I think it would be a part of prudent investment reactions that the inherent strength of the Indian economy is kept in mind by the investors, rather than react disproportionately to what the global developments are. पिछले कुछ दिनों से पूरे विश्व के बाजारों में शेयर्स बेचने की एक प्रक्रिया बहुत तीव्र गति से चली है, और स्वाभाविक है कि इसका एक प्रभाव भारत के बाजारों के ऊपर भी पड़ा है। बाजारों में थोड़ा सा पैनिक रिएक्शन भी है। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के फेड रेट्स क्या होंगे, इसको लेकर एक अनसर्टेनिटी है। यूरोप में कल कुछ डेवलपमेंट्स हुई, उसका एक प्रभाव है। चाइना में धीमी गति आने का एक असर है। और ये तो ऐसे फैक्ट्स हैं जो पूरे भारत के नियंत्रण में नहीं है, लेकिन देश को लेकर सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र के बैंकों का स्वास्थ्य कैसा है, इसको लेकर भी एक विषय उठा है। ये तो एक अच्छी नीति है कि जो वास्तविक ताकत या स्थिति है वो स्पष्ट रूप से सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र के बैंकों की बैलेंस शीट्स के अंदर प्रकट हो। उसको छुपाया जाएगा तो उसका हल नहीं ढूंढा जा सकता। वो समस्या है, लेकिन समस्या इतनी बड़ी नहीं है कि जिसके ऊपर नियंत्रण नहीं पाया जा सकता। केंद्र सरकार पूरा समर्थन इन बैंकों को देगी और जो भी इनकी कैपिटल आवश्यकताएं होंगी उनको पूरा करेगी। इन बैंक्स ने देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को बढ़ाने में एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है और आने वाले कल में भी ये योगदान देंगे। आरबीआई ने कई नीतियों के माध्यम से इन बैंकों को ताकत दी है कि जिन लोगों से ऋण वापस लेना है या जहां कार्रवाई करनी है उसकी वापसी की वो पूर्ण कार्रवाई करे। केंद्र सरकार भी कुछ ऐसे नए कदम घोषित करेगी जिससे इन बैंक्स की ताकत इस कार्रवाई को आगे करने में और बढ़ेगी।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.